How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to add multiple accounts on TikTok, it is very simple for us to do so. What we're going to do is we're going to launch the TikTok application like this. Then just come to our profile page from here. Currently, I have one of the accounts added. Now I want to add more account like 2, 3 or more. So right next to your profile or your name, you can see a drop down arrow. When you tap on that little arrow, it will give you the option that says add or switch account from the bottom. So what you have to do is just tap on the add account button right there. Now you can sign up for a new account, or if you already have another account, you can tap on login. You can choose to log in with your phone, email, username, or log in with your Facebook or your Google account, or even your Apple ID if you're using it on your iPhone. And these are the ways on how you can possibly just log in or add multiple accounts on TikTok. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.